Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to buy Bobcat Miner. So just go to any one of YouTube and get the link from some YouTubers. Is better.
To
Otherwise,
me,
if you go
it's all
to
about
Google and put the Bobcat Miner, there are so many fake website they selling Bobcat Miner. So instead, go any one of YouTube and find the link down here and it will take to Bobcat Miner website where they manufacture. Then you have to do just go to order now, and I'm gonna buy two today, two of the Bobcat Miner. So in the quantity, you just make sure you put two, and you have only option to pay in only send by USDC. So you have to do this one before you come here. So you have to go to Coinbase account and buy the Bitcoin, and then you convert to USDC. Once you convert that to USDC, when you have money in the Coinbase account, then you come to Bobcat Miner website and put it on the card. Just click on the card and it will be there in the card. Then go back to card, and you see for two it cost $858, and it's not the final amount. It's gonna tell you the other shipping cost, also the tax. Then click tick mark and checkout. And once you come here, you have to put your email ID. Yes, email ID, and put your details, your shipping address. I'm gonna blur this screen. Once you put the email address and everything, click this one, save this information for the next time. In case if you're planning to buy more on Bobcat Miner in the future, just save the information in your computer so you don't have to take all this time. You just go to just make sure. So once you press continue for shipping, and it will tell the cost for shipping. It's calculating right now, so it's gonna take $53. It's a lot of money for just for shipping, and they put $53. If you're buying one, I'm thinking it's about around $40 something. So yeah, because now I'm buying two, so that's why it's $53, and it will take some time to come to the house. It will be probably 22 weeks, I guess. So this is how much it costs for two, with the $858 plus shipping cost and the tax. So it's $962. So if you're buying this Bobcat Miner, you should have at least $1,000 in your account, because when you transfer that $1,000 to your Coinbase account, and when it will charge you around $14 to $7 to $14 when you transfer money from your bank account to Coinbase account, and from Coinbase account when you transfer to Bobcat miners, it will take a transaction fees. So when you're buying two of this one, you should at least have a thousand $2,020 just in case, and then you press continue to payment. And here we'll see, before you make a payment, make sure your email address and shipping details, and it will say the method of drop shipping $50, and it will say the Coinbase commerce. This is only one payment you have, Coinbase. So keep it as that and complete the order. Once you complete the order, it will come here, pay with the Coinbase. Click on pay with the Coinbase. This is how it shows. USDC, this one USDC wallet. So make sure when you put the money in Coinbase account, buy from Bitcoin and then convert to USDC. Okay. not USDT, USDC wallet. Make sure it's USDC. And then and see here also the network fees, which will cost you $11.39. So make sure you have all the money, just in case just put $1,100 or something, and make sure you have money and send now. And it will get, if you have a Coinbase account, you're gonna get a confirmation. Hmm, I'm gonna get, okay, so I have to put my confirmation number. So nine, one, six, confirmation payment. Then the payment will send. We get order number, date and time, everything. So we are good. So this is how you buy a Bobcat miner, and it will take you some time to get your machine, and it is totally worth it. And I think you should get it as soon as possible, because in the future it might they increase the price of Bobcat miner, because they already did. They already increased the miner cost, because it was before $300, and now they increase the Bobcat miners. So happy mining, guys. Thank you. Please, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Just starting my first video, it will really helps me. Thank you so much.